This is an elder Chinkapin Oak. I'm here in southern Ontario, and this is one of the last elder trees of this age that survived the onslaught of clear cutting about 120 to 150 years ago. These trees were important to the indigenous people of this land, where they were cared for as a food tree. The acorns, having relatively low tannins compared to many oaks, were processed and made into bread, and fire was used to clear the underbrush to allow for easy collecting of the acorns, and so that the game, the deer, and in some areas the buffalo, would be easy to spot underneath. This tree is likely twice as old as Canada, the statist regime, and this is a tree that we can plant for future generations to not only feed humans, but to provide for the ecology and the biodiversity that was so carelessly stripped from southern Ontario in the name of so-called progress and civilization. Well, the people who lived here before civilization came here ate much better than we do today in our endless GMO cornfields and processed food. We have much to learn from the early inhabitants of Turtle Island. If you click in the description section below this video, you'll find a link to an article I wrote on oaks and a particular section on Chinkapin, their native range, their food uses, and how to cultivate them.